Hi, today we're going to talk about restaurant operations and understand how you can keep track of a restaurant operation business expenses in one Notion template. So let me quickly turn off my webcam so that the screen is visible. And this is the particular template that I'm talking about, where you have three different categories of expenses listed at the top. We have a budgeted expense for every category of expense and the actual expenses which is being pulled from the table at the bottom. For the budgeted expense, simply click on this value and you can define a new budgeted expense as per your requirement. And there is a percentage indicator which shows how much of actual expenses was incurred in comparison to the budgeted expense. If you're looking to modify any of these categories, click on this pencil icon and you can modify the category and it will automatically get updated. If you want to add a new category, click on this new page to add a new category. And if you want to delete any category, click on this three dot and click on delete. The category will be deleted as well. At the same time, whenever you input any of the figures over here, all the expenses values will be updated dynamically. So I'm going to enter some of the values and you can see it is getting updated at the top. And finally, we have a summary section which shows the total budgeted expense, the actual expenses incurred, which is being pulled from the value over here, the difference in between the both, and the percentage of actual expenses incurred so far. So this is a quick and easy way to track our restaurant operation business expenses in one Notion template. If you're looking to further customize this template, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com and I'll be happy to assist you further on this. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.